Good day Pinoy Clicksters and Mixers, welcome back to the channel, and for this video, you get a legacy card, you get a legacy card, you get a legacy card, everybody gets a legacy card. Let's go! Okay, so we are going to open 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 legacy cards from the, I think this is the Fantastic Four Storyline 2021 release. Okay, so 2002 is the, I think, beginning of Heroclix, and up until 2021, this made some of the figures in these cards modern during that time. Okay, so unfortunately, we did not get a lot of chance to open storyline legacy cards during 2021 because it was pandemic, and at the same time our LGS were not carrying Heroclix that during that period. Okay, but we were blessed enough that we get a hold of these 12 legacy or team up cards rather. Okay, so not just legacy but possibly team up cards as well. Okay, so I have a sample here of team up cards. Okay, so you can see this from the Fantastic Four set, and this is the Future Foundation set. Invisible Woman, Mr. Fantastic. They are shiny because they are legacy team up cards as well. Okay, so anyway, so I again would like to thank Team Board Games from Singapore. We bought from them a couple of cases of Disney Next Phase, and they gave us some freebies. Okay, so which we're gonna open, and soon we'll give out to players in the Philippines some of this for prize support. Okay, although they are not currently modern because it's 2021, but I guess you can still use the legacy and team up cards for silver age tournaments. Okay, and what's good about this particular set is that this contains the Lockjaw legacy card as well as the Thanos legacy card, which is still, I think, have a bit of a value in that sense. So I want to also pull them to add it to my collection per se. Okay, so without further ado, let's go. So let's see how many duplicates we get. So this is the ones that we have currently, and let's hope to get a bunch of Thanos and Lockjaws. Okay, the first one is a team up card, I think. Team up card. Blue is team up card for the Wizard. Okay, which is Team Frightful Four. Okay, what's the team up? Is that the team up? Usually, team up would have a separate trait of team up. Team up. Okay, so this must be the team up with the Frightful Four. If Wizard is on a Frightful Four team at the beginning of your turn, you may choose a friendly character with a Frightful Four trait on your sideline. Wizard can use that character's Frightful Four trait until you choose again. Okay, completely forgot what is that Frightful Four trait, but there you go. Second legacy card is another team up card. Ooh, X23. I already have this, but I did not know you're able to get this one in this set. Okay, so this is the team up for Ghost Rider, Red Hulk, and Venom. Okay, so I think that's the alternate Fantastic Four. If one or more listed friendly characters are on the map X23 and the listed characters have Safeguard, Mystics, and can reduce penetrating damage dealt by opposing characters with the monster keyword. So they makes them much more efficient against monsters. Okay, so that's Fantastic Four. Okay, 2 out of 2 is Fantastic Four. Come on, give us a legacy. Ooh. Oy, this is a legacy. this is a legacy, and it is the legacy Doctor Doom. So Doctor Doom is the legacy 095, the one that generates the mosquito bot hypersonic with exploit. 125 points. Mechanical mosquitoes. Oh, this is Victor Van Dam, not Van Doom. Okay. So I don't know what's up with that. Okay, I'm not a huge Doctor Doom lore fan. Okay, so legacy card, by description, a legacy card corresponds with a Heroclix figure from a past Heroclix set release. If played using the legacy card, a legacy card character is considered modern legal with the set whose set symbol is shown on the legacy card. If a legacy card for a character has different point values and or combat symbols than the dial for the figure, they use the point value combat symbols shown on the legacy card instead. So one of the great ideas of WizKids, okay, so bringing a second life to your old figures and rewarding the collectors of the Heroclix, the supporters from the beginning of Heroclix, which is rightfully so. So kudos to WizKids for that. Okay, the fourth one is another legacy card, and this is, let's see, Thanos. Ooh. So we have one legacy card of Thanos. So the Thanos, the infamous Thanos that got errated two times and still viable. Okay, so we're not gonna go into it. Okay, but one of the meta pieces for a time at 175 points. Okay, like it so far. Okay, the next one is another legacy card, which is the Fire Lord. Okay, Herald of Galactus, Furious Krill, 90 points, no reducer. Yeah, but does have regeneration. Okay, so we'll put it aside here. Okay, next, okay, are we going to get the entire set? Another legacy card, and it's Mole Man. So Mole Man legacy. Okay, Infinity Watch, Monster Scientist. Okay, Passenger 6, but only to carry characters with monsters keyword, regardless of size. Oh, this can be powerful. Okay, for 40 points. Wow. And facing teleport. Outwit. Wow. I like this. Although I don't have the figure for most of this because I only collect X-Men. Okay, so but that seems powerful. I'll probably set it aside. Some of this will be for sale, of course, or for trade. Next one, we have legacy team up card, Black Panther. Okay, team up Fantastic Four. If Black Panther is on a Fantastic Four team, friendly characters with a Fantastic Four keyword can use Precision Strike. Okay, 13A, that one. So you would know if it's a team up card if there's blue borders, and if it's like .1, .2, .3, etc. And there's a trait for the team up. Okay, so we're seeing a lot of unique. Okay, so we haven't had any duplicates yet. That's good. Next, how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Last 5. This is ending up as a long video. Airwalker, another Herald of Galactus. Okay, from the Hammer of Thor, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, another Herald. Put that there. Okay, I hope we get another Thanos or Laccho. Oop, team up card for Spider-Man! Spider-Man! Do I need this? Because it has Wolverine. I don't know if I have this. I have a feeling I already have this, but it's a team up for Ghost Rider, Hulk, and Wolverine. At the beginning of the game, if all three listed characters are on your force, this game Spider-Man and the listed characters can use the Fantastic Four, the Spider-Man team ability, and X-Men team ability, and Mystic team abilities. So you gain all four. Okay, but you're limited to having all of them. Okay, last three. Let's see, we haven't pulled the Laccho. And I think there's a couple of Doctor Dooms here, so you have to get another one. Oops, a team up card of Human Torch. Okay, Human Torch teamed up Fantastic Four. Okay. Okay. Let's put them there. Last two. We have Legacy card of Redshift, Cosmic Herald, another, I guess, Herald of Galactus. Okay, and finally, the last one. I think this will be a Legacy figure. Oh no, it's a team up. So it's team up Terax. So Terax from the FFFF set, team up Herald. If Terax is on a Herald team, Terax has power, KO all opposing bystanders within range and line of fire. Okay, that seems interesting. Okay, so good thing we got Thanos, we got Mole Man, we got a couple of X-Men related team up cards. Okay, so we'll probably Doctor Doom. Okay, Legacy. Good news is there's no duplicates as well. Okay, so overall I think it was a successful unboxing. So look out, we're gonna give some of these as price support for our weekly tournaments, and the others will be for sale. Bye bye.